Welcome to Radiolize. With Radiolize, it's easy to check your stats and make detailed reviews of your radio. Let's click on the My Stations tab. And let's click on the Studio panel. In this opening panel, you can see a small summary of your station's listeners. Let's click to Manage to see more detailed reports. After accessing our studio, let's click to the Reports panel. Radiolize's interface is extremely simple, so you won't need a detailed explanation. From here, you can view all the details of your station, discover which songs your listeners react to, and adjust your station accordingly. You can also view which countries your listeners are listening to you from, and share all the transcripts you need with your production companies or advertising companies. How you use the data is entirely up to you. In this panel, we keep it ready for you in case you need a breakdown of the legal requirements of your country or your country regarding copyrights. You can easily get your full transcript by clicking here. And that's it. The easy way to easily see and collect all your data with Radiolize.